right, so here we are with Tracy. Tracy, where are you from?
Herman.
Herman, all the way up north.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me, what originally brought you into our office?
I had been having very bad knee problems. It was almost to the point where it hurt to walk anywhere. I had gone to an orthopedic surgeon, and they told me, or a doctor I should say, they told me that my only option was probably knee replacement, which I wasn't old enough for, or cortisone shots, which I didn't want.
And I don't need to tell everybody your age, but you're quite under the age where a lot of the knee replacements get done.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So cortisone shots was the only thing offered to me, so I asked for a referral to physical therapy, and she reluctantly gave me that and said, I'll probably see you back in a couple months for a cortisone shot because that won't help. But I did go there. It gave me a little bit relief, but not a lot. And I kind of stumbled upon you on the internet by accident, looking for other things, looking for chiropractic, and started reading about your knee program, watched your testimonials, looked at the reviews, and came in.
And what was your first day experience like?
Oh my gosh, it was amazing. I walked out of here and I could hardly believe it.
And that was only one treatment.
That was one treatment.
Yeah.
I would have liked to go back to that doctor's office and say, look at this.
And so what is life like now?
Fantastic. It's almost 100% better. I mean, I have my days where it aches a little bit, but I'm sleeping better. I have more energy. I'm doing the things that I want to do, and I'm very thankful.
And that's why we do what we do.
Yep.
The results.
Yes. Great results. Great.
Yeah.
I would recommend it to anybody.
Awesome.
Yep.
That's what we like to hear. Well, there we have it. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.